When lions move, the savannah watches. Their presence is power. Their silence, strategy. They're bigger, stronger, up to 4 times heavier than a single hyena. But it's not just brute force, it's intelligence. A lion pride is highly organized. They watch, they wait, and when challenged, they retaliate. Hyenas push their luck, but lions remember every theft. And sometimes, the king strikes back. This isn't just about food. It's about territory, respect, survival. This is the price of challenging the king.